Yes, my people, good day. Did you know that the weight of your vehicle is not supported by your wheel lugs or the studs? Let me show you what supports the weight of your vehicle with your wheel. Take a look. This ring right here, you could call it the hub-centric ring, is what fits snugly into the wheel, the back of the wheel. I'll show you here in a second. The weight of the vehicle, when you push the wheel on, it's like a press fit, kind of really snug. And then the weight of the vehicle is transferred through this lip into the wheel itself. Now the lugs hold the wheel to the hub, but the weight, the primary weight of the vehicle is supported through this little hub-centric ring right here. So sometimes when you change, some people put on aftermarket wheels and then the hub is larger. So now they're depending solely on the studs to hold the wheel to the vehicle and support the vehicle. Now, sometimes you see some people with their studs sheared off and the wheel fell off. That's part of the reason that causes that, because what they should do if they have larger wheels, they should buy another hub-centric ring that fits in this portion here and takes up the slack to transfer the weight directly to the wheel. Let me show you on the wheel. You see in here, it is a perfect size to fit onto that little portion that you see stick out. And if you look closely, you see this little shiny area. You see how everything else is dirty, and then this little shiny area, that's right there. That's where it's nice and snug up against the hub-centric, right there. And that's where you transfer the weight of the vehicle to the wheel, and then the lugs is what keeps the wheel to the hub, but the weight of the vehicle is from the hub center into here, into the wheel, distributing the weight. So remember that. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bless. Yeah.
And don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel.